In 1972, the Swiss-made ER collet system was invented and quickly became the industry standard. While many things have changed since the 1970s, the ER system is still the most used clamping collet worldwide. In 1992, the ER system became DIN 6499 and became a global standard. The design of the ER collet did not stop in 1992. Today, we are still innovating the ER system with the additions of the micron system, the UP collet system, and proprietary manufacturing techniques. The REGO-FIX ER collet system has several advantages over the competition or other ER systems that are out there. The first of which is the easiest to see, and that's the collet surface finish. REGO-FIX uses a 0.25 RA surface finish. This allows the collet to easily be pushed into the collet cavity, creating more accuracy and higher clamping forces. Most of the ER collets that REGO-FIX produces have a 1 millimeter or 40 thousandths clamping range. This allows them to hold several different size tools in one collet. It also allows you to use high quality tools and lower quality tools on different tolerance bands. When you talk about TIR and an ER collet, the lower the TIR, the longer the tool life and the more even the edge wear will be on your cutting tool. Something as simple as an ER collet can save thousands of dollars in a manufacturing process. In today's marketplace, you can find collets as cheap as $8, $10, $15 a piece when you compare that to what a REGO-FIX brand collet might cost. But what is the real cost of those collets? When you look at the tool life and the expense of the cutting tools being used, that cheaper collet can actually be costing you thousands of dollars just by saving a few dollars on the front side buying a cheaper collet. As the inventor of the ER collet, REGO-FIX offers a very wide variety of options. From all the standard ER series, from ER8 up through ER50 in standard precision and ultra precision, to microbore collets, metallic sealed, and tapping collets. The REGO-FIX ER system has been around since the 70s, and it's going to be around for years to come. The REGO-FIX system is the benchmark for all other collet systems in the market.